can't disguise the fact that you and I were meant to be.
Clearly don't take a genius, so clear as the eye can see.
Nothing's hit me quite like this. You got me out my comfort zone.
All I'm used to is comfortable. It's all that I've ever known.
Oh, loving you has made me realize that all my past relationships
Were just nothing but stepping stones that led me to finding you, yeah.
that's why it always comes so easily, where we don't have to justify.
Something so unmistakable that I cannot hide.
'Cause when I'm with you, there's no end in sight. You're my guiding light. Ain't nothing like I've ever felt before. We're on foreign shores. I don't believe it's just down to chance. No coincidence, no baby. A miracle's found that's bigger than the both of us, and it feels so good.
Szalona myśl od rana. Szanowny panie, nie kocham pana, lecz może jeszcze przez parę dni niech pan trochę mi się śni. Bo choć to niepowszednie, mam taki zwyczaj, że sypiam we dnie. W krew wszedł mi z dawna obyczaj ten. Nocy szkoda mi na sen. A jeśli kolejną kreacją
trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In love enough for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation. Now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all.